Ever thought of where all your white goods and other bulky waste goes? Research by JICA will try and identify how countries like ours can become a hub for collecting, recycling, and then hopefully re-exporting waste overseas.
Recent data collected by JICA shows that last year alone there was 75,000 tons of waste. Out of that, 51% was actually recycled, while the remaining 49% was dumped in landfills, abandoned, or on private premises.
For the JICA team, the JICA study team to come and present their findings up to this one point, and for these countries to come in and strategize on putting in place a system to see that this waste has a market abroad to buy in this waste and at the same time clean our environment.
So far, Fiji is one of the leading countries in the region already recycling waste and re-exporting it, a practice called reverse logistics.
And even we can use as a hub where there's bulky waste from some other small countries coming to Fiji and be taken abroad due to the cost of direct transportation of these countries to countries overseas. So there is a system in place that Fiji is working on that is similar to the recycling of loose oil. So the same concept will be used on this bulky waste.
With the geographical challenge in the Pacific, various options are being looked at. One of these options is to send waste here, which then gets recycled and then re-exported.
There are several issues in the Pacific. Firstly, most of our populations in the Pacific are small. So in terms of the amount of waste generated, it may be large for the island, but in terms of an economically feasible recycling program, they are small quantities. So that's one challenge. The other challenge is the distance between countries, and even within a country, the small pockets of population that you have. So the population is sparsely spread out throughout large areas, and that's a challenge when it comes to having an economically feasible system.
This regional meeting also saw representatives from waste management and the port and water transport sector from the region, with the various stakeholders discussing ways of improving methods of waste management across the region. Richard Nath, Fiji One News.